What's going on, YouTube? Coming back at you with another video. So we got West Coast veteran KAM reacting to this news that Godfrey and Lord JAMAR have cut their ties with Vlad TV. I'm gonna show you what KAM got up on his Instagram. Before I do, if you haven't already followed me on Instagram at Hip Hop Classics Daily, all one word, please take a second to do so. So he got the video up. You can go watch it on his Instagram or watch it on YouTube. It's Lord JAMAR and Godfrey doing a live together, basically announcing to the world that they are done with Vlad TV. So for those of you who don't know what's going on, basically this stems from Vlad making some comments about Minister Farrakhan apparently misquoting or misrepresenting what Minister Farrakhan had said. A lot of people out there took offense. They were looking for an apology. Vlad TV apparently not interested in apologizing. So people started looking at JAMAR, looking at Godfrey, looking at other regulars on Vlad TV for some kind of public outcry over the fact that Vlad was not apologizing. KAM says in reaction to JAMAR and Godfrey announcing this, he says, Lord JAMAR and Godfrey say fuck Vlad TV and leave his show because he will not apologize to Farrakhan. Let's all leave Vlad TV alone and replace it with the, you know what I mean, Godcast, Lord JAMAR, Godfrey, and Rod Digga. Donate to their show. Go to their Cash App, it looks like. Watch the full bombshell conversation and subscribe to their YouTube channel here. So KAM, in full support of them, now saying, let's replace Vlad TV with this other platform, which is Lord JAMAR's platform, and basically calling on people out there to support Lord JAMAR in his decision in doing this. Honestly, shit's looking bad for Vlad right now. I've seen a lot of people out there. I'm actually going to be bringing some other videos of some other artists out there that I've seen speaking on this. And a lot of people are in consensus that it's basically, at this point, fuck Vlad TV. A lot of people have been felt like that. There's been a lot of people on the other side, though, that have held on because Vlad has a big platform. He brings good content. So people in that regard are still fucking with him. Now, again, it's looking like there's calls going out to basically cancel Vlad and replace him with somebody else. It's kind of crazy that Vlad would let it get to this point, in my opinion, and not apologize. I'm not sure why he hasn't apologized. He's his own man. He's free to do what he wants. That's what he chose to do. It's looking like that's not the right thing to do. And I'm wondering what's going to happen if he comes with an apology later on. Are people going to accept an apology if Vlad comes? And if Lord JAMAR and other people say, you know, they spoke to Vlad and they accept his apology, are other people going to be accepting of it? What is it going to be at that point? Is it too late for an apology? I want to know what people out there think about this situation, though. Shouts out to KAM. I've seen him basically spearhead this whole shit against Vlad, and it's been actually pretty powerful watching. I haven't said anything online because I haven't been doing any videos. I haven't been paying much attention to social media at all. I have been seeing that, though. I thought it was interesting. I want to know what people out there think. Leave some feedback in the comments. Hit the like, subscribe, share. Ring the notification bell if you're subscribed so you get updates, my future videos when they drop. Also, please take just 1 second and click the link that I'm going to pin as the top comment. It's going to take you to a dope artist out there trying to get his YouTube channel monetized. He's almost there. Please click the link and subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing. I appreciate you watching.